We've all worked with this person. They show up to stand up, nod along, say everything's fine. But then you look at their pull request and it's 47 files changed, 0 comments, and a commit message that just says updates. You're about to meet the worst kinds of programmers, and honestly, you might be one of them. First up, the ghost. This dev disappears for days working on some mystery feature. No updates, no questions, nothing. Then suddenly they drop a massive PR that touches half the codebase. But here's the kicker. It doesn't even solve the original problem. It solves a problem nobody had while creating 5 new ones. And when you ask questions, they get defensive. The worst part. They think going dark makes them look productive. But really they're just making everyone else's job harder, because nobody can course correct them until it's too late. Then there's the copy-paste artist. Look, we all use Stack Overflow, but this person takes it to another level. They'll grab code they don't understand, jam it in, and if it compiles, they're done. No refactoring, no understanding, just pray and deploy. But then production breaks at 2 AM and guess who can't fix it? They can't debug what they never understood. And the cycle continues because they never actually learn, they just keep pasting until something sticks. Next is the over-engineer. Every problem needs a factory pattern, 3 abstraction layers, and a message queue. You ask them to add a button and they come back with a proposal for a microservices architecture. But the real issue isn't the complexity, it's that they're solving tomorrow's problems today. The code becomes so abstract that simple changes take hours, because you need a PhD to understand what's happening. Meanwhile, the actual feature nobody wanted just needed 10 lines of straightforward code. But possibly the most exhausting is the meeting philosopher. This dev has opinions about everything except the actual code. Every stand-up turns into a 30-minute architecture debate. Every PR review becomes a philosophical discussion about clean code principles. But here's the thing. When you check their actual output, it's minimal. They're too busy talking about best practices to actually practice anything. And the worst part? They derail everyone else. That quick sync about the bug fix just became an hour-long seminar. Meanwhile, the sprint is burning and nothing's shipping. Here's the truth. The worst programmers aren't the ones who don't know enough. They're the ones who don't care about the team. Code isn't just for you, it's for everyone who comes after. So be a good person and write good code. Communicate. Ask questions. Keep it simple. Because the best developers aren't the smartest, they're the ones people actually want to work with. So subscribe before you get turned into one of these devs. Dev out.